Hello, and welcome to this WinAutomation tutorial on functions. WinAutomation allows you to split your processes into sections. You can then sequentially run each section and even repeat the execution of those sections. This makes the process much cleaner and readable. These sections are called functions. The Functions pane is located in the top right side of the Process Designer and lists all the functions used within a process. In this example process, as you can see, there are 4 functions used. One can click on the first button on the Functions pane to create a new function. The function is created and prompts the user to set a name. Using the following buttons, one can delete the selected function, rename it, or highlight the function that is currently active in the workspace. As you can see, the functions in the workspace are shown as tabs, and you can click on each tab to view the actions used within each function. It is very useful to use functions to go through each phase of the automated process. Doing this allows you to review smaller sections of your script during troubleshooting. Additionally, you can call a function at several stages in the flow in case a particular section repeats itself. There are 2 actions that are related to the functions that can be found under the flow control group, the run function and the exit function, with which you can call a function or exit the current function. Please note that all processes start their execution from the main function. Thus, you are not able to call the main function or exit while being in it. Functions will make your process much more readable and clean. You can break down the process and have fewer rows of actions in each part of the process. In cases where the sections repeat themselves, you do not need to rewrite them. Just running a function again will have the exact same effect. Functions can also be used as an error handling method to resolve an unexpected error. Error handling will be fully covered in another tutorial of the series. Thank you for watching.